Mello's first evening down in the piazza, meeting old friends, many of whom are now mere strangers.
The most important thing about being in Sotera, I think, is just the fact that you are there. You have returned and you are there. It's much more the things that you miss when you're not in it, more than what you find when you actually get there.
Drawn back to Sotera from the industrial towns of half Europe, they sing the songs of departure and separation. Mother, I have to go in quest of work and leave you with your sorrows. But when I return, oh, what a feast! We shall embrace, and the whole mountain shall know it. But alas, time will not stand still. Mother, I have to go.